How to order a replacement card using the Barclays app. First of all, open the Barclays app and log in securely using your fingerprint, face recognition, or passcode. From the home screen, tap Your Cards. If you have multiple cards, select the card you want to replace. If you only have one, you will be taken directly to its details page. Next, tap Report Damaged, Lost, or Stolen. Choose the reason for replacement, whether your card is damaged, lost, or stolen. Then tap Order a replacement card. Check that your delivery address is correct. If everything is right, tap Confirm New Card Order. Your replacement card will be sent to you and should arrive within 7 working days. Now you know how to order a replacement card using the Barclays app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more banking tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.